I'm not gonna say, you're gonna have to wait and see. Okay. The color is Alright, let's get this video rolling. First of all, let's just attach this here. Yo, what is up guys? How have you all been? I'm glad here, and today something came in the mail from FedEx. Ordered this about 10 days ago. And what exactly will this be? Well, it's actually a protection for the DJI Action 2, which I have done an unboxing video for about 5 or 6 days ago, depends on when exactly I upload this video. So without further ado, let's actually unbox this and let's see what the big fuss is all about. Alright, let's get this pencil out. Cut through this. Alright. Let's see exactly what we have been waiting for 10 days for, and why FedEx messed this up 3 times. Oh wow, that really looks beat up. Not bad, not bad. I'll let this slide through. It's no big deal, right? As long as the product is in good condition. But how exactly do we open this? Oh, okay. So, oh god, this is gonna take forever. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Oh, don't worry about it, that's just a sharp knife. I'm not gonna kill anyone tonight, don't worry about it.
One eternity later.
That took forever. Oh my lord, look at this. Bruh, this really took a hit. To say the least, that box took a big hit. Anyway, I'll be back in another moment.
A few moments later.
That box took a really big hit throughout the flights, and I really hope that small rig at least contained it well inside. Alright, so like I said, this is the magnetic case of the DJI Action 2. And the colors that I have chose is, I'm not gonna say, you're gonna have to wait and see. Okay. The color is, spoiler alert, comment white. Okay. Oh, they actually still have the magnets on there. Still magnetic. Not bad, not bad at all. Alright, so how exactly do we put this on? Let's have a look. Okay. This is not magnetic, you actually force it in there. But how do you get it out though? That's a really important question. Oh, magnets are still on. But you will definitely feel that something is missing if you don't have this as well put into the case itself. So what we do here is just brutally push it in, basically. That's how it works. You put this in here. This actually looks a little bit out of shape, but from what I could tell, from what I could see here, is that the lens itself is way inside here. Like the lens is not popping out, so chances of you actually getting hit, like hitting the lens if you drop it or something, are much lower, because the material itself of the, of the protection case will basically take majority of the hits. So the lens and the body of the DJI Action 2 is much less likely to actually get hit when you have this around it, because the camera itself is actually dipped into the cover itself. But I really have no idea how do you pull this out. But if you actually look at it, like the lens is not gonna get hit, that's one thing for sure, but the screen is actually a little bit outside of it. Like the screen is not covered inside, so if you drop it from the back like this, the screen will take a big hit, and then you will have to send it to DJI all over again. I'm not exactly sure how Small Rig managed to figure this out, but I mean, I hope that they have a solution, or maybe DJI screens do not cost a lot. And here is actually the same problem, like the screen is also popping outside of the cover, so this does not exactly make it reliable. But in terms of talking about the reliability of the lens itself, then I would say that the lens pretty much covered well enough. So yeah, and that's about it. So why exactly did I buy this? Well, right now Small Rig is pretty much the only company that makes protection case. Even DJI, I don't think that they make protection case for their Action 2 yet. And above all else, like this is actually a strong investment for me. Like I want to use this camera for vlogging quite a lot, so having a cover to protect it from some severe damage is very, very important to me. And if you look around, I think that they got all the holes right. So without further ado, that's about it for this short video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you did, then please make sure to hit the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and, you know, comment what you want to see me do next and all that. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Peace out.